Okay, so why changing at 40 changed everything for me? I would say 45-ish. All right, so I started a YouTube channel several years ago, and I was struggling with being in front of the camera. Now, one of my backgrounds is real estate, and I love doing it, but I wanted to talk to people about the process of doing that. And I was really struggling on how to get my words out. I love doing real estate, love being creative, but I felt like I needed to pivot some. I felt like I needed to change. So I did. So I started talking about life at 40. Started talking about creative ideas. And you know what? It felt liberating because I can talk about it. This is something that I can do all the time. I'll tell you this. If you're looking to change your life, find out and think about what you can do all day, every day, and not get tired for 2 to 3 years. Right. And then I want you to create a YouTube channel and just talk about it. You have to understand this. The best thing about a YouTube channel, you don't need a whole bunch of equipment, but I would say you need to adapt the concept or the lifestyle or the skill of talking. And the more you can talk to people, or the more you can talk to the camera like it's your best friend, the more you can connect with people. I don't care what it is, talk about it. Now, I'm not saying evil thoughts, but I'm saying if you have a skill, if you have a passion about something, take your camera with you and just talk, and you can document it on your iPhone. Now, I'm an iPhone person, not Droid, so I'm not sure about you, but document it. You'd be amazed who would be enlightened by it. I've seen people's channels take off because they just wanted to talk about certain aspects. Especially over 40 right now is like the prime age. Oh, it's getting dark out here. It's the prime age for someone to start talking and giving their insight based upon where they're at and what they've been through. You might have been through a divorce. You may be an empty nester. You may be changing careers. You may want to help other people, change careers. You may want to help other people with some type of endeavor. I don't know. Maybe it's about milking cows. Just that simple, milking cows. Just keep talking about it. People are fascinated by it. And you got to think about YouTube as the world's broadcast center. I was on a live recently. We were talking about some things. But, YouTube in itself is a major network. Really. Just imagine YouTube is like NBC World News or World Television. And the crazy thing about it, you can get on here for free, post several videos, and it's a good chance that your life can change. I mean, you have a better chance of being very successful with the YouTube channel than playing the lottery. Just be consistent. I think most people overcomplicate the whole process of this. They think you need all this elaborate stuff, but really, if you add value to someone, it changes everything. And all you need is a few people, really. So my whole life changed when I start changing perspective and really start shedding light on what I enjoy doing. And what I enjoy doing is talking to people, understanding people. That's how I learned. Now, my background too, I didn't take the traditional route of going to school. I just like talking to people. My major breakthrough in life, I'm going to go, is when I was working at this fruit stand and I was enjoying it, tossing watermelons. And one guy approached me about working for him in the engineering firm. I didn't know anything, but I figured that was a good chance for me to kind of get out of my environment and do something totally different. That moment changed everything because I was open for change. I was open to do something totally different. And I went from this fruit stand to working in an engineering firm, from doing graphic design, doing videography, doing real estate, and now back to personal branding and helping somebody like you that's in Russia, somebody like you that's in Canada, somebody like you that's in Texas, kind of get off the ground, kind of get off of what they think that they think is normal for their life and just branch out and do something different. It's not going to hurt anything. It's going to help you, really. So I just think that every person needs a YouTube channel just to document stuff. Think about this, and I'm going to go. Think about this. Imagine you have a child and you started doing a YouTube channel when that child was born. And for 10, 15 years, you started documenting things. Now, you can keep the videos private, but for 10, 15 years, you documented everything about this child. You put it on a YouTube channel. Two things going to happen. That person of age is going to appreciate that, and then you're going to help somebody else through the process, and you may get monetized for it. You don't know, and you might have a hidden skill. You might have a hidden skill you don't know about, but until you start posting, you can't get better at it. Remember this. Like, share, subscribe, but remember this. When I first started this, I could not talk in front of the camera. I couldn't get my thoughts together. But the more I did it, my thoughts start connecting. I used to shake in front of public speaking, really. I couldn't get my thoughts together. In front of the camera was even worse. So, like, share, subscribe again to the channel. Let's talk some more about connecting and changing and pivoting. And don't be afraid of it. Don't be afraid of it. It can change everything. Talk to you soon.